Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. The future of compact SUVs. What you're looking at isn't your average grocery getter. This is a radical reimagining, the Hyundai Tucson widebody concept. The most striking element is its stance. The car is dramatically wider than the stock Tucson, thanks to these massive bolted-on fender flares. Notice the rear lighting. The signature full-width LED light bar is retained, but the overall design is much more aggressive and muscular. Moving down, the vehicle sits significantly higher, suggesting a heavily upgraded, long-travel off-road suspension. And check out these tires. They are chunky, deep-treaded performance off-road tires, hinting at serious capability beyond the pavement. This vehicle is built to handle rough terrain. Let's look at the lower half. The redesigned rear bumper features a race-inspired diffuser with vertical fins, which is purely aesthetic but adds to the aggressive look. Flanking the diffuser, we see a dual-tip exhaust system. While this is an artistic rendering, it certainly suggests an engine tune-up to match the menacing exterior. This concept appears to be a digital rendering, likely exploring a Dakar rally or extreme off-roading design language for the current generation Tucson. It takes the sharp lines of Hyundai's design philosophy and amplifies them into a high-performance, overlanding beast. It's an exercise in what if. The Hyundai Tucson widebody concept is a spectacular display of design potential. It transforms the sensible crossover into an adrenaline-fueled machine. What do you think? Should Hyundai build a version of